So it's 2014, March the 3rd, and it's a snowstorm in Virginia.
Serious snowstorm.
The best thing about a snowstorm is snow. What else?
We off work and shit.
Yeah, we're off work. We're actually off work together. And also,
Yeah, we got a truck.
nobody's home. We could actually make a whole movie in this car. Look how big this car look, baby. We could do like scene by scene by scene, a whole bunch of things. We can come in the car and watch TV.
That's big.
Yeah.
Yes, you can.
It'd be awesome. Wait a minute, we have enough gas? Baby, we gotta get gas. Oh, it's gonna be disastrous in this snowstorm.
We ain't going nowhere.
Yeah, but still, you don't wanna, if you do have to go somewhere, and you don't have any gas because you're on E, well, you just gonna drive this car. I guess you drive something else.